Sparrow's Garage's shop tip of the day: how to put on the SOB hose, better known as the water pump bypass hose. Now on this, it goes on right here, and you can see, well, on this one I made it a little easier because this one's offset. I took and cut a little bit off of this nipple right here to give me just a tad bit more room. But you can do this same method on any of them, as long as there's enough distance between the two of them to get your two thicknesses of the hose in. And here I'll show you the easy way to get this on without having to do all this. First thing you do is you spray it down with some WD-40. Just a little bit of WD-40 in the center of the hose there. And then kind of work it around like this. Just kind of work that WD-40 into it like that. Okay, then you take it and you get it started on one side. Bend it in half to where the other lip just catches the other side. Like that. You see you're bent in half right there? Then you just push down and give it a twist. Down and give it a twist. This one's a little harder because of that angle. That would have been easier without that distributor on there. Just like that. Give her a twist. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and there she goes. And that's how you get on the SOB hose. Hope that helps out there. In the meantime, get out there and get the metal hot.